Hello guys, welcome back to Anup channel. Today I will show you how you can get views on Telegram using our view software, right? So let's start the video. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates, right? So let's start the video. Let's go to the screen. So basically this is our software, right? You can see this is our auto view software, you can see, right? And how to use it, let me show you. So first you need to install Python, right? So how to install Python, let me show. Just go to the Python and double tap on this, right? Like this. So I have already installed the Python, so it's asking for this. So let me uninstall first, then let me show you how to install, right? So it will take some seconds, please wait. So I will show you how to install Python first, then I will tell how to use the software, right? So we are first, basically we are installing the Python because we have to show all the steps by step how to install the Python and how to use the software, all the complete process in the video, right? So before purchasing, you can know everything, each and everything about the software, right? So we have closed this now. So just now we will install the Python. Just you have to install like this, and you have to add Python 3.9 to path, customize installation, right? And just move next, right? You have to install for all users, right? Like this, and you have to check the location of the directory where you have to install the Python. You have to path location is program file Python 39, right, on the C drive, right? We will just click on the install. It will install all the required libraries for the Python, right, to run our software, right? It will take some couple of seconds, right? So please wait. So it's moving to the last process, right? Recompiling the standard library, you can see. So you can see it installed successfully on our computer PC, right? And now we'll close the software, right? And now I will guide how to use the AutoView software. Let me show you the interface of the software. Okay, so you will get these files, right, on the software AutoView version, right? You can see you will get the channel first proxies run VHH and view, right, .db. So this file you will get from when you buy the software, right? And how to use the software, just first whenever you will purchase this software, just you have to extract the software on your computer, right? And you have to tap on the same folder like this, and you have to tab over here cmd, right, and hit enter, right? After hitting enter, you have to just take the file, okay, first channel.py and hit enter like this, right? When you will hit enter, it will run like this, right? Then close the software again. Now take the first.py and hit enter like this. Now it will again use the same. So an unexpected error, it's showing an unexpected error, right? You can see live. So it's again running. Now we will close C. Now we will just tell how to install the libraries, right? We will how to install the libraries, whatever requirements for the PC. So first we have to install pip install. We have to check on the Google for the Telegram bot library pip install. You can search on the uh, Google, install Telegram. You can see this library we have to install. Just you can, we will, I will provide all the details, right, on the video description. You can copy and paste. Just we will paste over here and hit enter. It will install the library, right? Okay, sorry. Oh, let me here. Now hit enter. So I have already installed all the library, right? You can see. Now we will go to the website, right? I will provide the proxy website link from where you can purchase the link, purchase the proxy, right? in the description. To run the software we need proxy, right? And the VPS servers, you can see the VPS server I'm using, right? You can see, and let me show the VPS server. You can see it is the VPS server, right? Windows Server 2012 R2. You can see I have purchased for 1 year, right? And you can see now we have to purchase the proxy also. We have to purchase the proxy for the software every month, right? So we will open. So now I have opened the proxy website. I will share the details where you can take my referral to get the discount, right? So now just you have to see the prices of the proxy, and you have to purchase proxy from this website, right? To run the software to get the views, we need the proxies, right? So now I have already purchased the proxy, right? Let me add the proxy, right? Okay. So web share. Let me log in to the web share, login, and let me add the proxies, right? Okay, the proxy is going to list. Let me add. So the IP address and direct connection HTTP proxy we will use in this. So now we will export the proxies, right? Download the proxy list, right? And we will open. Now I will copy this proxy and move to the VPS, right? Again, and I will paste the proxy on the proxy file. I will remove first this and I will paste this and save this file, right? Now I have saved. Now we will do one thing. Just simply click on the double tap on the run. Now it will ask some questions from you. How many views requests sent together? Means if you post any post on the channel, right? How many views together you want to give views? Example, together, pair. Like if you want 100 views, like yes, okay. If you send a request for the particular channel for 1000 views, right? And you have selected the pair of 50, so it will increase view pattern in the 50 views, again 50, again 50, like this, right? So I will select over here 10 pattern, right? And we will hit enter. Like one, I will select HTTP proxy, my HTTP one. So I selected one, and now we will put 0, right? And hit enter. Now our bot is activated, and we can go to the our Telegram bot to show you. So now let me show. It's my Telegram bot. Where is my Telegram bot? Same. Let me show. Jimmy. So now back to menu. Okay, I have back to menu. Let me start again. Slash start. When we will start, it will show like this, right? You can send views manually also. You can add on the auto views mode on the add channel. Let me show test manual first, manual version. So now we have to, let me post one over here, and I want to give the post view on this particular post. So we will copy this post link, like for the manual views from the board, and we will paste over here, right? And we will put at the rate over here, and let me show. I have to give 300 views, so I will put 300 after the at the rate and hit enter. So now it will start giving views 300 to particular post. You can see now we have 9. You can see. So you can see the pattern. It is increasing the pattern from the same pattern and giving the views to particular post. Now 98. We Okay. If we post another post, it will not give views to particular post because we have not added the bot as the on the as a admin to the channel and on the auto base, right? So we will first add bot as in the auto mode, right? So we have to copy the username from this bot like this, and we will go to the channel and we will add to the channel, right? So add manage channel, we will go and we will add bot as administrator. Add administrator. Let me add this and Jimmy bot, and okay, and save and close and save. I had done. Now bot is added, right? Now we will send the link of the channel to the bot on the auto mode list. So back to menu, add channel, we will select, and like this we will paste the channel, and we will put this. And now I have to give 300 views to all posts whatever I post in my channel on the automatically, right? So now I will hit enter. Now you can see Anup channel 300 added to auto mode list. You can see now views are added to the automation list. Now whenever I will post on the channel, like dot, let me post, it will start the bot, right? You can see it will start the bot working, right? It will start the bot and it will start giving the views to the particular post. Let me show. You can see it's given. Okay, let me show one. let me show to